Revolut, how to open an account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can open an account on Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to open up a Revolut account, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is launch the Revolut application after you download them from your respective app store. You can basically see two options. If you already have an account, you can tap the login option. If you don't have an account, you can tap the sign up option that you can find here. First of all, just make sure to enter your phone number here. After you enter your phone number, you can just tap the sign up option to finish creating your account. If you already have an account, you can tap the login option and log in using your phone number or your email addresses, and then you will be successfully logged into your Revolut account as well. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically open accounts on Revolut. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.